Magsisilbing kaibigan sa lahat ng bansa pero hindi isusuko ang dignidad ng Pilipinas. Ito ang binitiwang salita o pahayag ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa retirement honor ni Armed Forces of the Philippines Chief of Staff General Romeo Bronner. Papalit sa babakanteheng posisyon ni Bronner si Lieutenant General Antonio Navarrete na dating Commanding General ng Philippine Army. Narito ang aking report. Pinangunahan ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang Change of Command ceremony ng Armed Forces of the Philippines at retirement honor ni outgoing AFP Chief of Staff General Romeo Bronner sa Camp Aguinaldo, Quezon City ngayong araw. Nagsilbi si Bronner bilang ika-60th na Chief of Staff ng AFP at nagserbisyo ng higit sa 41 years na nagmula sa Class Magatao Class of 1989. Siya rin ang kauna-unahang military leader na nagbenepisyo ng fixed 3-year term na naitatag sa ilalim ng Republic Act 11939 na inaprubahan ni Pangulong Marcos. Sa pag-alis ni Bronner sa pwesto, kinilala ng Pangulo ang mga hindi matatawarang kontribusyon ni Bronner sa military service.
And that stability has produced results. Under your leadership, the AFP intensified its internal security operations, dismantling communist terrorist guerrilla fronts and significantly reducing the forces of local terrorist groups. The armed forces sustained a steadfast presence in the West Philippine Sea through maritime and air patrols, asserting our sovereignty and sovereign rights. The AFP also strengthened cooperation with allies and partners, enhanced interoperability through joint exercises, and advanced strategic communications to counter misinformation. General Bronner, maraming salamat sa iyong tapat at marangal na pagsiservisyo.
Tiniyak ng Commander-in-Chief na ipagpapatuloy ang modernization para sa mas malakas at matatag na sandatahang lakas ng Pilipinas, gayon din ang welfare at readiness ng mga sundalo. Bagamat hindi raw naging madali ang mga pinagdaanan ng AFP, pinasalamatan ni Bronner ang lahat ng miyembro kasunod ng kanilang profesionalismo. Kinilala rin ito ang mga misyon ng kasandalaan sa West Philippine Sea, disaster-stricken areas at mga lugar na bihirang makita pero labis na nararamdaman.
I realize that leadership is not measured by the position we hold, but by the people we serve. Soldier, sailor, airman, marine, civilian human resource, and reservists, it has been the greatest honor of my life to serve beside you all. Thank you for your commitment and thank you for your dedicated and excellent service to our country. I leave this office with gratitude, with humility, and with complete confidence that the Armed Forces of the Philippines will continue to grow stronger, remain faithful to its mission, and always serve our nation with honor. May God continue to bless the Armed Forces of the Philippines. May God bless our beloved Republic of the Philippines. This is Special Forces call sign Tiger and Aviator call sign Griffon signing off. To God be the glory. Maraming salamat po.
Itinalaga ng Pangulo bilang bagong AFP Chief of Staff si Lieutenant General Antonio Navarrete na nagsilbi ring Commanding General ng Philippine Army. Umaasa ito na pagpapatuloy ni Navarrete ang naisimulang trabaho ni Bronner at muling binigyang diin na magsisilbing kaibigan sa lahat ng bansa pero hindi kahit kailan isusuko o abandonahin ang dignidad ng isang tunay na Pilipino.
And air patrols, asserting our sovereignty and sovereign rights. The AFP also strengthened cooperation with allies and partners, enhanced interoperability through joint exercises, and advanced strategic communications to counter misinformation. Came before you. Your task is now to build upon that. We are confident that your previous leadership assignments, commander of the 1st and 6th Infantry Divisions and the Western Mindanao Command, and most recently as Commanding General of the Philippine Army, have given you the wisdom and experience needed to lead the AFP.
Para sa EuroTV News, ako si Henry Villa. Nicolas, sumasaludo sa bawat Pilipino.